I don't really talk about Aurora that much, and I have no position in Aurora, but I don't really have anything else to talk about, so I decided to make a video on Aurora. Why not? So Aurora had some news regarding uh them getting into the French market through a pilot program. They will use the facility in um like Europe. I forgot what that place is called. I think it's in the press release somewhere. But they're gonna be supplying MJ products from Aurora Nordic, the company's European Good Manufacturing Practice EU GMP facility. So good news. I don't know how much this is gonna add to Aurora's revenue or profits, but good news somewhat. I mean, the market didn't really care too much, but you gotta put out some press release once in a while. The excitement for Aurora is gone. I think what the market wants is profitability and continued growth. If they can show that off, I think the stock will get pumped. But ultimately, if you're still invested in Aurora, I think the biggest factor that will pump Aurora stock is United States federal legalization and them getting you know established with a multi-state operator like Ianthus or some other company would be a really positive sign. But that's just my opinion, and we'll see what happens coming weeks and months. But Aurora, I think will you know I think Aurora will be fine if they can survive. I think they can survive. Why? Because they have a stock, and as long as they have a stock, they can just keep issuing shares and issuing shares and issuing shares. They'll never go bankrupt. Like currently, right now, as a business, they have currently a total cash position of $476 million, almost $500 million of cash on the balance sheet. Total debt is about $480 million. So they have as much cash as their debt. So in theory, as long as they can just keep issuing shares and not go and pay off the debts, and hopefully one day become profitable, they'll be okay. And as long as legalization happens in the United States and around the world, next 4 or 5 years, maybe 10 years, who knows? Whenever that happens, maybe their stock will get pumped. And, all the people who are holding forever will finally get rewarded. Unless, something like a scenario that comes around that is unexpected, that is so exciting that it pumps Aurora stock to the moon. Unless that happens, I don't see that. Or maybe like with AMC, Wall Street bets come in and pump Aurora stock to the moon instead of AMC. I don't know at the end of the day, but Aurora, they have a shot at surviving and hopefully thriving once Europe legalizes and the United States legalizes and world legalizes. Then yeah, I can see Aurora surviving. What happens? They do have an earnings coming up here around September, so next month. How long actually? Definitely interested to hear what they have to say on the earnings call. Moving forward, right now the Aurora stock is down from if not financial advice, but the best time to buy Aurora is near the 52-week low. So if you can get Aurora, as low as possible, around $4 US, I say that's a huge buying opportunity because they're not gonna go bankrupt. And lower and lower you can buy Aurora, better it is. Possibly swing trading it because it's very volatile. But if you bought at like $1,000, at $100, or rather before the reverse split, that would be like $10, $8, $9. You're probably not gonna get your money back because my theory behind this is, well, I mean, there's always a possibility it can go back up there, but they're gonna, if the stock gets pumped, they're gonna go dilute shareholders. So you're not gonna get your money back up here. It's not gonna go back up here. Nope. The best scenario is try to get it down to the 10s and 8s and hope it gets pumped to $15, $20, $30 and cash out and trade it. Not financial advice, but that's just my opinion. So we'll see what happens. I'll definitely keep an eye on Aurora, but that's just me. Anyways, yeah. So Tilray is a little down today. In pre-market everything is slightly red. Not too much to say about that. Oil is down. Gold is slightly down, and just doesn't look too hot for tomorrow. But hey, it could just turn around and it could be bright and green tomorrow. Who knows what the market will do. Anyways, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Wow, I got like 30 more seconds to go. I don't really have too much to say. I wonder what I'm very excited to see what the market does for Ianthus tomorrow. I hope it keeps going up, but I don't move the markets. I'm not buying at 52 cents. Not when I bought it at 27 cents. Would make absolutely no sense. I would not recommend anyone buying it at these prices either because the RSI is at 88. So if this thing goes higher, trust me, it's probably retail investors, but it's professional retail investors, people that know how to move markets. My opinion, though. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub and like and everything else that you guys do. And I hope everyone doesn't have a good day. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.